Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Thunderstorms occurred early on in the eastern parts of the Western Cape today while a cold front is approaching from the west, and ahead of this front it's hot and breezy over the western interior. This morning's satellite image shows a lot of mid-level cloud cover over the Western Cape, and in the central and Little Karoo early morning thunderstorms were reported. Obscured by a lot of high cloud is a cold front that's currently moving eastwards towards Cape Town, and it will only make landfall during the course of Wednesday. Otherwise, it was a clear start to the day across South Africa, except for cloudy conditions in KZN this morning. We're expecting hot and breezy conditions ahead of the approaching front over the western interior, partly cloudy weather countrywide today, and thunderstorms later on, especially over the eastern escarpment and in the Eastern Cape, with our cold front visible on our synoptic analysis still far to the west of South Africa at midnight tonight. This is our rain forecast for today, with dry conditions over the western parts of the Western and Northern Cape, very isolated storms possible over the eastern half of the Northern Cape, and isolated thunderstorms predicted right the way through the Eastern Cape, Southern KwaZulu-Natal, as well as onto the Highveld and in the Eastern Free State as well. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the western interior, which includes the western parts of the Eastern Cape as a result of hot, dry and breezy conditions. Temperatures reach the upper 30s in the Eastern Cape interior today, with 37 expected in Graafrenet, 33 degrees in Bishu. It's slightly cooler along the Southern Cape coastline, with 29 expected in George, 26 in Cape Town this afternoon, hot weather in Uppington at 38, and in Gauteng temperatures just shy of 30 degrees in Pretoria. We're expecting light winds over the northern parts, but a fresh northeasterly along the KZN coastline and strong northeasterly winds, especially along the Wild Coast. Strong northwesterlies likely over the western interior, with a breezy afternoon in Cape Town. In Durban, partly cloudy conditions for the afternoon, a maximum temperature of 30 degrees, and moderate northeasterly winds will become fresh during the late afternoon. We're expecting an overnight low of 22 degrees, and thunderstorms become likely in Durban later on in the afternoon and early evening. Tomorrow it will be a dry day over the western parts of the Northern Cape, but we're expecting rain in Cape Town, spreading to the Eastern Cape later on. Dry, warmer weather for Thursday in the west, with thunderstorms confined to Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your day.